Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the exact goal: reduce keyboard backlight brightness and improve key visibility without damaging hardware. First, open your OS brightness controls and the OEM utility. Lower the backlight one step and observe. If no software control exists, shut down, remove power, and access the trim keys. Prepare tools: soft brush, 70% plus isopropyl, plastic pry, compressed air. Once ready, make sure to work on a static-free surface and document key positions before any removal. Next, remove keycaps starting at an edge and map them as you go. This prevents layout mistakes. Clean under keys with compressed air and a soft brush, then wipe sticky spots with isopropyl. This reduces uneven light diffusion. Once keys are clear, inspect the LED strip or backlight ribbon and look for a dimmer resistor, trim potentiometer, or jumper pads on the board. If a software dimmer is missing, a small hardware resistor change, or using a low-voltage inline resistor can lower LED intensity. Proceed only if comfortable. Finish by reseating the backlight ribbon and snapping keycaps back onto their mechanisms. Test brightness increments before tightening all screws. Once reassembled, boot and observe for flicker or dead zones. These point to loose ribbon connectors, cold solder joints, or power rail instability, so reopen and reseat or reflow carefully. If you added or swapped resistors and see abnormal heat or dimming, restore the original part and seek a replacement LED strip. Keep notes and spares so you can reverse changes if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.